Hey, what's up? So I ended up receiving a bunch of new Apple products in the mail this week, and I ended up putting them all together and saving them for this video because I get a lot of questions on where I get my iPhone cases from, or like watch straps and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be sharing all these new products with you guys. I think there's just like one product that's not new, but it's a really nice product, so I just wanted to share it in this video as well. And I am gonna be trying everything on because I know in like one of my recent videos someone was asking for me to like try the stuff on, so I'm gonna do that too. And yeah, I'm gonna just jump right in and start showing you guys what I ended up getting. So the first product I have here is from Maison de Sabre, and this is a very nice case company. They have these very beautiful luxury cases, and when I went online I didn't know which color to pick because they had like black, pink, yellow, green, red. I was leaning towards red, but I got a red case recently, so I'm like, let me get a different color. So I ended up picking this one, and I'm just gonna unbox it really quickly and show you guys. Ooh, this is so nice. They packaged this really nicely, and this is the one that I ended up getting. I ended up getting the light pink. It's like a nude pink color. On the bottom here it says Maison de Sabre, and it's kind of like when you go to Louis Vuitton or certain stores that are very high-end that kind of hot stamp your like bag or item. They do that as well, and you can get your initials put on here. You can pick up to 4 letters, so I ended up doing JWLS to spell out Jules instead of just getting like JE for Jules Elizabeth. So I wanted to do it a little different. I did see these on Instagram, and I've seen a lot of people wear and get these cases, and they just look so nice and luxurious. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it for a while and try it out. And let's see, on the inside it says, due to light color of this item, it's recommended to avoid direct contact with darker objects, which is understandable because this is genuine leather, and just like any nice bag that you have, you want to take care of your leather and be very careful with it. So yeah, I'm gonna struggle with that a little because I always put my phone in my back pocket, so I have to be like a little bit more aware of that. And then inside has this really nice padding that protects the case, and it brings this little card. I'm gonna open it up really quickly, and basically this is just a little care card, how to care for your case and protect it and everything. So this is really nice. This case is well made, and I'm just gonna try it on really quickly so you guys can see. I'm gonna do some close-ups of it so you guys can see this a little better, but it goes on very easily, and this is what it looks like. And like I said, I ended up getting jewels on the bag, and this is so pretty. I can't wait to use this. Like I said, I'm gonna be very careful not to damage it because this is a very nice case. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys want to check this out. It's from Maison de Sabre. So the next 3 items are by Felony Case, and they're these really pretty cases. They ended up sending me cases before, and they sent me some new ones for my new iPhone, so I'm gonna check them out. I got 3 of them here, and I'm just gonna open each one up. I love that they come in these little pouches so you can like kind of store your phone case and protect them. It's like a really soft material, but yeah, I love their phone cases because they're really fun. So the first one I ended up getting is this one, and it's the Opal iPhone case. It's really pretty. I'm gonna try it on my phone so you guys can see what it looks like. And I love these cases because they cover my whole entire phone and they're very protective. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see here, but like I said, I'm gonna do a close-up and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other 2 as well. So this one here is the black marble case, and I love black cases because it makes my phone look black instead of gold. I have the gold iPhone XS, so when I put this on, you can't even tell that I have a gold iPhone. I actually like the marble with the gold as well. It looks really pretty, but this is what it looks like with my phone in it. And this one also protects the whole entire phone if you're looking for something with a little bit more protection. I think the third one is like this as well. It covers your whole entire phone. So I'm gonna show you guys this one as well. Oh, I think this one's like one of my favorite ones. So this one's the Aura, I think it's called Aura Holographic, and it still has a plastic on. I love the sound of that. It's so satisfying. So this one's really cool. I feel like I'm gonna be using this one a lot in the summertime because it's very reflective and it's just a really pretty holographic phone case. It almost looks like glass. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna try this one on, and this one has the border of it is like clear, so you're gonna see some of my phone through it, which is gonna be really nice. There we go. And yeah, I think this one's my favorite one so far. You're definitely gonna be able to see me from far with this one. There's only 3 more products left, and these are from the brand Laut, and this is a brand from Germany, but they actually carry these products at Target. And I ended up getting 2 watch straps, and this one I'm so excited about, a new iPad case. Guys, I've been looking for a new iPad case for a very long time now, since the iPad came out. The one from Apple was like the only one that I could find when it first came out, and then I think like a few weeks later I ended up finding like 1 or 2 online, and then Amazon had some, but they weren't really protective and they were kind of flimsy. So it's been a little bit of a struggle just like looking for iPad cases. So I'm gonna save that one for last, and I'm gonna start with the 2 watch straps. So the first one I have here by Laut is the steel loop stainless steel watch strap, and it's magnetic. It's kind of like the one from Apple, but for like 1/3 of the price. This color I believe Apple doesn't have. It's more of like a rose gold pinkish color, and it's really pretty. So this one fits the 38 and 40 millimeter Apple Watch. And let's see, it says durable and tough. This is my first time opening this up and trying it out, so this is really pretty. And I'm gonna grab my Apple Watch. All right, so I have my Apple Watch here, and I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see what it looks like on my wrist. And afterwards, I'm gonna show you the other one too, because that one is for the bigger size, but I don't have the bigger watch right now. So I'm gonna put a little clip in a minute of it so you guys can see what that one looks like as well. Put it on like this, and this is the metal part. Oh, this is gonna look so pretty. I feel like this is gonna make my watch look really nice and classy for when I'm going out. So you just slide it on, and then it has this little magnet right here, and oh, that's really secure. And I like this because the silicone watch straps from Apple, I feel like they never fit me right. They're either too small or too big. So I like to use this one from Apple, but to be able to like go out and have your watch look a little more fancy, I feel like this one's really pretty. And I like the fact that you can just adjust it to fit your wrist perfectly. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm excited because I've never had one of these like nice straps before that look a little bit more like dressy for going out and stuff. So I can't wait to wear this one. I'm actually gonna leave it on my watch right now. And the other watch strap that I ended up getting is for the bigger size Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 4. Both of these can be used. These are both for Series 4 watches, but they can be used for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can use it for any model of your Apple Watch. And this one is the technical watch strap, and it's a nylon watch strap, and I fell in love when I saw this one online because it's like this army green color and it just looks so cool. So this one comes like this, and this one has little holes that are adjustable, and it looks like it has like this leather material on the inner part, but this one's so cool. I wanted this one. Yeah, it says genuine leather here, so it's leather on the inside and nylon on the outside, and I really wanted this one for my Apple Watch, so I think I'm gonna have to go and order it in my size. So these watch straps are really cool, and you can order them online, and I think they're gonna be in Target stores very soon, so just be on the lookout for them. But I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can check out these products as well. So last but not least, I'm really excited about this one. This is the Prestige Folio by Laut, and this one says it has the Apple Pencil holder and it's charging capable. So I think it has something to hold your Apple Pencil, and it charges it from the top. And then it says 2 stand positions, durable impact, auto on and off cover features. So yeah, like I said, I've been looking for a new iPad case for a while, and it's so hard to find them. Like, no company is really coming out with a lot of these cases, so I was surprised to see this one because it's so beautiful. And it's in this taupe color. It almost looks gray here on camera, but it's like a taupe, really pretty classy color. And it has the Laut logo right here in gold, and it smells like a new case. I'm just gonna open it up. Comes with this little foam thing here, and as you can see, this one protects the entire iPad, which is crazy because, like I said, my Apple one doesn't protect the case, the iPad at all, and this one looks like it protects the whole entire iPad. So this is gonna be perfect for traveling. I'm gonna try it on with my iPad. I have the silver iPad Pro, and like I said, I'll put a video up here if you guys want to see the unboxing of it, but I'm just gonna pop it in here and show you guys what it looks like. Let's hope this fits perfectly. There we go. So it's in here, and oh my gosh, this is like such a relief to have a case that covers my whole entire iPad. It has some openings here at the bottom for the speakers and on the top because the iPad Pro has speakers on both ends, and it's open for the little USB-C charging port. And unfortunately, I don't have my Apple Pencil on me, but you can put your Apple Pencil here for traveling, which is kind of cool too because I have the little sleeve, but I feel like I always lose my Apple Pencil, so this is gonna keep it in here so that I won't lose it. And then on here you can see that there's like a little indent at the top. It's still covered and protected, but it does charge your Apple Pencil with the case, which is crazy because I haven't seen any cases like that. Usually the cases are cut out here and you can't charge your Apple Pencil with it, but I feel like this little space right here is dipped in a little so that you can put your Apple Pencil here and wirelessly charge it. So that's kind of cool too. And yeah, it's like a perfect case. So you can stand it this way, and then I think there's a bunch, it has like this like soft material here, so there's probably like a bunch of ways you can stand it straight up or a little bit lower if you're like relaxed in bed or something. But yeah, I'm so excited to have a new case for my iPad. This is so cool. I can't wait to play and try this out too. But yeah, this one's by Laut. All right, let me just make sure. I think that's everything that I received in the mail this week as far as new Apple products go. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.